Hi students, this is your teacher. Today we're going to start chapter 11, and even though we're doing chapter 11, the factor label notes which we're starting with actually comes from chapter 1. So the metric system, the metric system is what we use in science, and there's certain facts that you need to know. You need to know that there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. You need to know that there's 1 meter is in 10 decimeters, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, and 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. Now the prefixes, which I'm highlighting, always stay the same. The base units, which I'm underlining, are what can change. So if we were working with seconds, you could say 1,000 seconds is equal to 1 kilosecond. Or you could say, if we're working with liters, you could say 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliters. Or if we're working with grams, you could say 1 gram is equal to 100 centigrams. So the base unit can change, and that goes for the bottom one as well, but with the millis. So factor label steps. You first want to write the given over 1, then set up a fraction so the units cancel out, write in the numbers of the conversion fact, and then multiply as divide as the problem states. So there's 2 examples that we're going to go through. Sometimes I'll give you the conversion fact, which is the top one. The bottom one, you need to know the conversion fact, and that would be using the information from the very first slide. So the first step was to write the given over 1. So we want to go from 4.2 inches to centimeters. So the given is 4.2 inches. And you're going to write that over 1. So now we're in inches up here, and we want to get rid of the inches. So we're going to put the inches down on the bottom. And then we need to get into centimeters, so that's going to be on top. So that way the inches will cancel each other out. Then we're going to use the conversion fact to fill in the numbers. So in front of inches in the conversion fact, we have 1. So 1 goes in front of the inch. In front of the centimeters in the conversion fact, we have 2.54. So 2.54 is going to go up top. Now, the next step said we need to multiply or divide as the problem states. Well, we don't need to worry about ones in the problem. We just need to worry about the non-ones. So since both of these are on top, we want to multiply. So we take 4.2 times 2.54, and we get 10.668. Our inches canceled out, and so that's why we're left in centimeters. You should pause and try to do the next one by yourself. So we start with our 9.84 milliliters over 1. Continue on our horizontal line and draw a vertical line. Since we're in milliliters here, the milliliters need to come down here. And we need to get in liters. Now, I didn't give you a conversion fact, but if you looked at the very first screen, I did tell you that 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. Now that doesn't help us, but the prefix does. So that's the same thing as 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So using this conversion fact, for the milli, the 1,000 is in front of the milli, and the 1 is in front of the liter. So this time, now the non-1 numbers on the bottom. So you want to take 9.84 and divide by 1,000. When you do that, you get 0.00984. That is it for today's notes.